In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write Smartsheet formulas. With the power of formulas, you can automate calculations and streamline data analysis effortlessly, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Let's dive right in. To start off, make sure you're in the sheet where you want to apply the formula. The first thing you'll need to do is select the cell where you want the formula result to appear. Clicking on this cell is important because Smartsheet needs to know where to display the result once the formula is processed. Think of it as telling Smartsheet where you'd like to see your data magic happen. Once you've got your cell selected, it's time to enter your formula. The key to writing a proper formula in Smartsheet is to always begin with the equals sign. This little symbol is your way of telling Smartsheet that a formula is coming next. For instance, if you're looking to add up the numbers in a column, you would begin by typing the equal sign followed by the word sum. But remember, since formulas are specific, you'll need to specify which column you're adding up. So your formula would look something like this. Sum, column name, column name. Let's break that down a bit. The word sum is a function that tells Smartsheet you want to add numbers together. The text in brackets, column name, represents where you put the name of the column containing the numbers you're interested in. This structure is crucial because it tells Smartsheet exactly which pieces of data you want to work with, ensuring that your results are accurate. After you've carefully entered your formula, it's time to make it come alive. You'll do this by pressing the Enter key on your keyboard. Hitting Enter is more than just a step. It's the moment when your written instructions get translated into action. Smartsheet will compute your formula and display the result in the cell you initially selected, making the impact of your calculations immediately visible. And there you have it. You've just performed some really useful data manipulation within Smartsheet. This process can open up countless possibilities for analyzing and managing your data more effectively. Whether you're summing up values, averaging numbers, or conducting other kinds of arithmetic or logical operations, understanding how to initiate and finalize these formulas can significantly enhance your productivity. Remember that practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try out various formulas to see how they can work for you in Smartsheet. With time, you'll get more comfortable with both basic and complex formulas, bringing even greater depth to how you handle data. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has empowered you to make the most of your Smartsheet experience.